Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, July 25th. Futures back in positive territory once again this morning, coming off a negative showing on Friday. If you remember, it was all about Snapchat to end the week and the negative effect Snapchat's earnings had on social media stocks and the tech sector overall, dragging the overall market to the downside. That's a look at the futures right now, where we stand. 0.4 for the S&P, the Dow about 0.5% positive, NASDAQ 0.4 as well. Big move up this morning for crude oil once again, 1.17. If you remember, it was negative to end the week on Friday. Bit of a mixed start for cryptocurrencies. Here's a few things we're following so far today. Yeah, we're watching Snapchat again. I had to count the list twice, but I made sure because there's 12, no less or no more than 12 downgrades on Snapchat this morning, including Deutsche Bank, including Morgan Stanley with a double downgrade on the stock to sell after that just absolute mess of an earnings report on Friday. We're watching the chip names as well. AMD, NVIDIA, a little bit active here in the pre-market. More headlines coming out this morning suggesting we could get maybe more discussions in Washington this week on the chips bill. Intel with its own separate news this morning, doing a deal with this MediaTek to make chips for them from Taiwan. Tesla back on watch as well. Yeah, a second subpoena for Elon over that 2018 go private tweet story. We'll talk about Tesla coming up here. Monster two-day rally to end the week, if you remember, on Friday. And oh yeah, we're getting into the biggest of the biggest names for earnings this week. Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, all coming. We also get the Fed, obviously, coming up on Wednesday with a, looks like it's going to be a 0.75 increase for interest rates in the U.S. AXP higher for the second day in a row after a good report on Friday. An upgrade this morning for AXP. We'll talk about some Chinese names as well. Alibaba downside here pre-market on more regulatory concerns coming out of China. Make sure you grab the watch list, guys, on its way out to you right now. Use the link. It's right down there on the screen or the QR code. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.